Now we'll do lecture 14, access dictionaries. Okay, and here we have certain functions. We'll get the value from a key. We'll do get function. We understand keys, values, items, and check using that in keyword. Okay, we'll continue with the same Python file. So first let's do how to access. See, these are all accessing the items in the dictionary. Okay, so basically this lecture will all be about how to access the items. Let's first do with the getting the value from a key, right? We have, so again, if I tell you, it is, you have all the keys and values, and total that is called an item. Okay, now if I want to get a value from a key, okay, so country is the key and I want to get the value and assign it to a variable. So that is what I'm writing here. Y is equal to my country, so Y is India. So whatever will be the value of the key, that will be the value of Y. This is how you access items in a dictionary. Okay, referring to that key. Okay, now what is the get function, what it will do? Okay, let's write it. So I have this name, okay, and I want to again get the value of country, right? So then I use the get function and put that key inside the parenthesis and I print name. It will give me the value of the name key. Okay, so that is similar. So whatever name key's value you will change, it will get reflected in the name part. Okay, now how to get keys? I want to get all the keys that are available in the your dictionary. So the function is mydic.keys and it will put all the keys in the keys variable. Okay, so when you run it, it gives me a list of like name, age, and country. So these are the keys. Okay, name, age, and country. And if I just add one more item to it, so maybe let me add the job part, salaried, and now there would be 4. Remember, it's not a duplicate. It never picks up duplicate keys, which we have done in the last lecture. So you can go and have a look at that lecture if you haven't yet. Okay, this is how you get the list of keys that are available. So right now we have name, age, country, and job. Okay, so if I write that my dic job is equal to freelancer, I have updated that. Okay, now would it be updated at the dictionary? Let's see. Right, from salaried, I have just updated the value of that key as freelancer. So this is how you update or change the value. Okay, whatever is the new value, it will override the existing value. So here we get freelancer. Okay, now if I want to get the values, earlier I got the keys, now I want the values. It's very similar to how we got the keys. So my dic.keys. Now values are basically the assignment, the value that you've given to the key, right? That will get reflected here. So all the values, swimmer, 45, India, freelancer, these are the values to the keys that are name, age, country and job. Okay, this is how we get the values. Okay, let's move on to the next part. If I want to get both the keys and the values, right? So earlier I got the keys, now I want the values. I want both to be printed together. Okay, so what I will do, just take you to there. Yeah, this is another way which we have already done. First updating of, so if you could see, the value gets changed, right? Now I want that after I have done keys, I have done values, I have updated the values, and it has got reflected on the output screen also. Now I want the whole, I don't know what are keys, I don't know what are values, I want the whole part to be coming together, keys and values together. Then I'll use get items. Okay, so items equal to mydic dot get items. So sorry, items. So here I would get the tuple of all the keys and values pair. So can you see, it's a tuple that has been made for all the keys and values pair. So this is how I get items, right? So it returns as tuple. I would like you to practice this as we go along, right? Otherwise you might get confused. Now we'll check, I don't know whether this key is available or not, so I'm gonna check that keyword, and again in keyword is used to check if that key is available or not. So if name in the dictionary, I will print yes, right? We have done this with earlier data types also. So in is the keyword which checks the presence and then returns true or false. If it's true, it goes to the print statement. We'll be doing if else in detail later. So now if you could see that in keyword has returned true. Okay, in case I would have given something else, it would have returned false. Now thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.